AJ. Grab my headphones on the desk, I'm ready to go party. Logging on, sending jags, getting my friends together. Cause when we storm Jamal, the day just gets better. Talking, showing off all our rares, laughing like we don't care. All the other jammers stare. Gift pouring and we're gifting back. Getting gems by the stack. Wait a second, who's that? Oh God, I forgot that I left my dad unlocked. This guy, he won't leave. He's got something up his sleeve. Hacker, what a blur. Clear the skies, a cheater. Like, oh no. Oh no, hacker. This one's new. Yeah, we don't know what to do. I'm scared. This ain't right. Yeah, we can't put up a fight. Hacker, let it blur. Clear the skies, a cheater. Like, oh no. Oh no. Bears have disappeared. Yeah, we're under duress. This guy is horrible and cruel, laughing at our distress. Now he's blackmailing my email, says that he knows my password. But I got a secret weapon. I'm calling a monitor. This guy recycled my spike. He knows this isn't right. He'll be banned by midnight. Now AJHQ's at the scene. This guy's being so mean. I see him banned for life. But banned for life. Hacker, this one's new. Yeah, we don't know what to do.